Open the bag.
This backpack. Open the backpack.
Sure.
There. It's backpack. It is. Yeah.
Go ahead, open it. Tell Daddy open it. Come here. Open it. What's inside?
A shirt.
Wow. What do you say?
A Hello Kitty shirt.
What do you say?
Thank you
Thank you.
for the Hello Kitty shirt.
What do you think?
And the Hello Kitty backpack. I love it. It's cool. Bye-bye.
Lisa, what do you say? What is that?
A backpack.
What do you say?
And another shirt.
Is that for the big school?
I got a kitty. A baby.
Can you say thank you, Cousin Alexa?
Thank you, Cousin Alexa. What's in the little pocket?
Open inside the kitty. Isa. What's inside, Isa?
I wonder what's in the little pocket.
Kitty, can you help Isa open it?
Oh, what's in it? It's a present. Here, I'll open it for you, okay? Wow.
What do you say, Isa?
I got a present of what? What is it? Here, I'll open it. A kitty. Okay, what? Toy house? Yeah. Toy house? Yeah. Made out of Legos. Yeah. Wait. I want to be the Hello Kitty.
Okay, thank you. Say Merry Christmas.
Wait. There's something in the
Kelly,
bag.
can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for the present.
Say I love you.
I love
Miss
I
you.
love you. Miss you.
Give a flying kiss. Isa, say flying kiss. Say I love you, Cousin Alexa. Say I love you. Say bye-bye.